again, besties. This video is a little sad because I just got bullied by Steak again. He made fun of me, my fans, and even my hard-worked videos. I don't understand what I did to deserve such things. I am the best and nicest Roblox content creator. But first, can you like and subscribe if you really think I'm cute? Or dislike if you love this dumb it called Steak. Now let's get into the video.
My best friend just died from cancer. But first, can you like...
How dare you make fun of the cancer fandom? People are suffering and you're saying this about them. That's so disrespectful. You need to get a life.
Why you gotta Photoshop me to look ugly, sweetheart? You don't gotta Photoshop me like that.
I tried to Photoshop you, but even Photoshop made you uglier. Can't believe he's on Team Devil. I'm
on Team Devil. Let's go. Team Devil.
How dare you be on Team Devil? Jesus is the best. He died for our sins.
Oh, I'm sorry, but like, you're so ugly, okay? You look like an insect. Your little toes, you know what your toes look like? They look like hot dogs, okay?
And the fact that you're trying to make people...
Wait, so she was beefing with Vanilla Bean, so this girl makes an edit of her kissing her boyfriend?
What's so funny about this? I am so pretty. I'll steal Pat God from you too. Sadly, there's more.
Okay, girl. At least I have the balls to show my face. All right, let's see a face cam for you. Let's see your face reveal.
I don't show my face cause creeps like you are gonna fall in love with me cause I am so cute. But I might do a voice reveal soon. Forget he used my sister, Bella the Wolf.
Oh. Okay, really? I thought we were finished with Bella the Wolf.
How could Bella be over this? She's traumatized till this day. For clout.
Actually, I didn't use her for clout. I used her for money.
How dare you say that to Bella? Why does every Roblox YouTuber use innocent YouTubers for money? I guess I am the best YouTuber out here. Cause I am the nicest. I don't understand how Roblox creators could be so money hungry these days.
I don't understand how Roblox creators can be so money hungry these days. I don't understand how Roblox creators...
Jesus or... Dance if you hate...
I don't understand how Roblox creators could be so money hungry these days.
How dare you bully me? I have Jesus in my head to tell me to make those videos. Because I just love Jesus so much. But first, will you like and subscribe if I'm cute? Or dislike if I'm ugly? I am the cutest person in the world. You will see everyone watching this video will like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Sorry for the short one, but Steak is taking too much storage on my PC.